Okay. Hello guys, welcome to this video. Streamline your workflow with collaborative tasks. 3D Experience platform with SOLIDWORKS provide you and your team with many good PLM capabilities, right? So today I'm going to show you one of them. So with this, I am Harshit Gosani and let's get started. So before starting, let me provide you one overview like what collaborative task is all about, who is it for, and what are the benefits of it, why it is useful, and how to use it. So collaborative task actually offers an efficient task management solution that is designed to boost productivity and timely delivery of your project. Anyone who assigns or executes the task, collaborative task is useful for that. Benefits include you can have traceability of all the activities, you can attach the files and deliverables, you can have SolidWorks integration with it that I'm going to show you. It is team centered for ultimate collaboration, right? And you are always up to date with the real-time notification with your team, like what is the status of your task and everything. And it is having super intuitive drag and drop UI. So how to use it? Let's see. So I am going to show you one workflow where one manager is assigned tasks to his design engineer. Okay, so as you can see, currently I am inside of my 3D Experience platform, and I can create collaborative space particularly for all the Microsoft files. With the 3D Swim, I can create my own social media, my own group for my company, where I can connect with all the department people. And as you can see, like we need to perform work, and we can post it like we need to perform work with the instruction manual over here, and other people can react on that. Kishan has raised one issue over here, like there is an issue in the trigger handle assembly. The surface doesn't look good, the curvature is analyzed, so we need to redesign that as well. I have created one post like we need to redesign yoke part. It is too heavy, 0.73 kg, so we need to reduce the weight, and also need to ensure its vector of safety, right? So I am going to assign this task to one of my design engineer. So let me take you through the collaborative task interface and show you how to create a task, right? So by clicking on this plus icon, we can directly create a task. We are getting two types of tasks available: project planning task and project management task. So project planning task is kind of standalone task if it is not attached to any project, and project management task is a simple task. So right now we will keep it up with that and add a description and just say create. So it is open in the right hand side. I can fill in other necessary details like any contributing document that I want to attach, and any simulation. I can attach the simulation report, and I also can preview it like this, right, within the 3D play. And I can also switch between the maturity. I can also select the maturity state, like currently let's keep it in the draft state. Estimated end duration, let me keep it not more than 2 days, and if I just drag and drop to when it is in work, so it will count from there. So I can add any attachments from the file explorer or from the 3D Experience platform. I can, for the searching inside of 3D Experience platform, we are getting 6W tag capabilities, but right now I will just drag and drop from the bookmark and it will be attached. I will also attach one helping document 3D markup, which will be helpful to understand what kind of redesign I want inside of my yoke part, and it is done. Deliverables will be attached here, and I will assign this to Akash. So I will just need to search it out, Akash, and I can also assign this to one of the user group if Akash is busy. So anyone from this user group can voluntarily take this task and can work on it, right? And lastly, I can add any bonus if I want, attach a comment, complete this as app, and just save it. But right now this task is in draft state, so I just need to switch between the maturity state, make it short, maturity. We'll just drag and drop to do. So now Akash will receive a notification regarding the same. So Akash has also logged into his 3D Experience platform. He can also stay up to date with the latest updates regarding the project. Here Akash has received a notification regarding redesign of your part, right? So Akash can see all the details within the SolidWorks interface. Right inside we are having this 3D Experience task pane where Akash can find all the details regarding the task. So Akash will open this markup to see the changes it has required. So here he can remove material from this middle area and from these sides, right? So Akash can start the work by just dragging and dropping this yoke part to SolidWorks graphics area, right? He will change the maturity state from 2 to 3 work and we'll just save it. Okay. So after the work is done, Akash can also measure the mass property of this, like from this evaluate tab. Yeah, so as you can see 0.56 kilogram, the mass has been reduced, and after performing the linear static analysis we can see that our part is within our safety range, the factor of safety is 4.9. So now Akash can just save the changes to 3D Experience platform, right? So his colleagues can also stay up with this file. Inside of deliverable we are supposed to attach this yoke part, so we can search it out in the 3D Experience platform. We can also utilize the 6W tags to filter out our file, like who has modified or created this. So Akash, so he can attach this file simply, right? Or else in this case our attachment is our deliverable, because we have made changes on that. So we'll just drag and drop here and our job is done. Maturity state from in work to in approval. Inside of comment, Akash will just say completed and will send it. Okay. So now Harshit will receive a notification that let us move towards his 3D Experience platform, right? As you can see, so Harshit can see in the graphics area the part has been changed. He has also received a notification like Akash has made some changes. Akash is also Akash can also attach the image here. This is the redesigned part and it is within our factor of safety range. Inside of task it is right now in approval state, right? So Harshit can open and find the deliverables. For the analyzing, he can open this within the 3D plane, and what we used to do with SolidWorks, he can rotate it and zoom it, everything like that, to analyze the design, right? It looks good. So Harshit will add a comment like it looks good, and will close the task. Drag and drop to complete, and the task is completed. So this is the way how the collaboration is done, like how the task is being executed, right? Okay, so now I will show you how to execute and create a task with project running type of task. So similarly we are getting this description option, but additionally we are getting bold and italic formatting type. We can attach table and pictures as well, right? Create a task. We can also attach our parent project here if it is the task is related to any project. We can select the severity of the task, low, medium and high. Maturity, we are getting 3 options available right here. How many percentage the task has been complete, that we can also select and update. We can select planned start date and end date, and we can make it fixed, right? Duration of the task, and simply we can add repository, like where this file is supposed to be added, so we can suggest the repositories here. Additionally, inside of this candidates task, we can add users as well, right? Rest, everything is same. Okay, so let's understand the types of task. Project management task, which is also a simple task, and project planning task, which is also a standalone task if it is not attached to any project, right? So in simple task, so we are not getting any text formatting options here. Next we can attach any contributing document to this contributing section, right? After that we are getting this 5 maturity states option from draft to finished, right? And we can only delete this task when it is in the draft state. Third, we can collaborators or assignee or candidates can only see and edit this task when it is outside of the draft state, right? We can only specify finish date here, and we can attach the documents on which the task needs to be performed, okay? And the task here exists inside of the collaborative space, so all the members of that collaborative space can actually see the task except when it is in the draft state, right? Now let's move towards the project planning task. So yes, we are getting more text formatting options here, like we can make it bold and make it italic, right? You can also attach pictures and tables inside of the description. Yeah, additionally we can attach the parent project here if our task is related with any project, right? Next we are getting visual indicators regarding the severity of the task, if the task priority is high, low, medium, right? And we are getting 3 maturity options, simple, like to do, in work, and completed. We are getting flexible and fixed start and end date options. We can make it flexible or fixed as per our convenience. We can add deliverables simply, I guess, and we can suggest repository, like where the file is supposed to be uploaded, the collaborative space as well as the bookmark. This is the difference between both the type of task. Lastly, let me summarize couple of the key features, like we can organize our task in 3DEXPERIENCE platform on a responsive Kanban board, right? We can also do task tagging and task filtering with 6W tag. We can create and indicate task, due dates and completion date quickly. We can add deliverables and related items and projects to task itself. We can send email notifications as well to users when it is assigned or unassigned from the task. We can organize the task around specific context, like it is related to part design, document, or project. We can drag and drop the objects, and we can create many types of tasks, right? Like route management task, if the task is related with the approval, project planning task as well, 3D lead task, and task linked to redo, 3D student community, right? To streamline our workflow and enhance the productivity. So these are the types of tasks available, right? That I will cover in the second video. So that's it guys from my side. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you have any inquiry and query, you can always reach out to us, and stay tuned for such updates.